Hello and welcome to another SparkToast video. Today I will be showing you how to install Fabric on your server. First, you will want to go over and head to your Versions tab. After this, you will then want to view builds on Fabric. You can then choose from a numerous releases of Fabric. After selecting the one that you want, you can go ahead and choose to delete all files before proceeding with the installation. Then you will want to select the Install button. After this, you can then go ahead and start up your server.